Hello everyone. Today I am going to continue the problems of chapter multiple and submultiple angles. Let us see the first problem. Prove that sin 2a by 1 minus cos 2a into 1 minus cos a by cos a is equal to tan a by 2. Equal to tan a by 2. Let us consider LHS is equal to LHS sin 2a by 1 minus cos 2a 1 minus cos 2a into 1 minus cos a by cos a. We know that the formula for sin 2a is 2 sin a cos a by the formula for 1 minus cos 2a is 2 sin square a into here 1 minus cos a by cos a. Here 2 get cancelled. Here 1 sin a cancelled. Cos a get cancelled. That is equal to here 1 minus cos a by sin a. 1 minus cos a by sin a. Now, the formula for 1 minus cos a, the formula for 1 minus cos a is 2 sin square a by 2 by sin a is 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2. Here 2 get cancelled. Here 1 sin a by 2 cancel. That is equal to sin a by 2 by cos a by 2, that is equal to tan a by 2, that equal to RHS. That equal to RHS. See the next problem. If sin alpha by a equal to cos alpha by b, then prove that a sin 2 alpha plus b cos 2 alpha equal to b. According to the given problem, sin alpha by a is equal to cos alpha by b. Cross multiplying, we get a cos alpha is equal to b sin alpha. Treat it as equation 1. Let us consider LHS. Now LHS is equal to a sin 2 alpha plus b cos 2 alpha, that is equal to a into the formula for sin 2 alpha is 2 sin alpha cos alpha plus b into the formula for cos 2 alpha is 1 minus 2 sin square alpha, that equal to here a into 2 sin alpha cos alpha is 2a sin alpha cos alpha. We can write like this: 2 sin alpha into a cos alpha plus multiply b within the bracket b minus 2b sin square alpha, that is equal to 2 sin alpha into here from equation 1 a cos alpha equal to b sin alpha. Here a sin alpha is a cos alpha is b sin alpha plus b minus 2b sin square alpha, that equal to here 2b sin square alpha plus b minus 2b sin square alpha. Here 2b sin square alpha get cancelled, that equal to b, that is RHS. See the next problem. Show that cos a is equal to cos 3a by 2 cos 2a minus 1. Hence find the value of cos 15 degrees. Let us consider RHS. Here RHS is equal to cos 3a by 2 cos 2a minus 1. We know that the formula for cos 3a is 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a by 2 into the formula for cos 2a in terms of cos is 2 cos square a minus 1 minus 1. That is equal to, in numerator take cos a common, cos a into 4 cos square a minus 3 whole by 4 cos square a minus 2 minus 1. That is equal to cos a into 4 cos square a minus 3 by 4 cos square a minus 3. Here 4 cos square a minus 3 get cancelled. That is equal to cos a, that is LHS. Now we have cos a is equal to cos 3a by 2 cos 2a minus 1. To find the value of cos 15 degrees, then we have to substitute a is equal to 15 degree. Now cos 15 is equal to cos 3a, 3 into 15, that is 45 degree by 2 cos 2 into 15 degree, that is 30 degree minus 1. That is equal to, here cos 45 is 1 by root 2 whole divided by 2 into cos 30 is root 3 by 2 minus 1. Here 2 get cancelled. That is equal to 1 by root 2 into root 3 minus 1. To rationalize the denominator, multiply and divide by root 3 plus 1. Root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1, that is equal to root 3 plus 1 whole divided by root 2 into, here root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1. Now it is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b. That is equal to a square minus b square. Here root 3 whole square minus 1 square, that is 3 minus 1. That is equal to root 3 plus 1 by, here root 2 into 2, that is 2 root 2. Now the value of cos 15 degrees is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. See the next problem. Prove that tan alpha equal to sin 2 alpha by 1 plus cos 2 alpha, and hence deduce that the values of tan 15 degrees and tan 22.5 degree. Due to this problem, consider RHS. Here the RHS is sin 2 alpha by 1 plus cos 2 alpha. That is equal to, here sin 2 alpha is 2 sin alpha cos alpha by, we know that the formula for 1 plus cos 2 alpha is 2 cos square alpha. Here 2 get cancelled, 1 cos alpha cancel. Sin alpha by cos alpha is equal to tan alpha, that is LHS. Now we have tan alpha is equal to sin 2 alpha by 1 plus cos 2 alpha. Now we have to find out the values of tan 15 and tan 22.5. First we have to find the value of tan 15 degrees. For this we have to substitute alpha equal to 15 degrees in the result. Put alpha is equal to 15 degree. Now tan 15 degree is equal to sin 2 into 15, that is 30 by 1 plus cos 2 into 15, here 30 degrees. That is equal to sin 30 is 1 by 2 by 1 plus cos 30 is root 3 by 2. that is equal to 1 by 2 by, here taking LCM in the denominator we get 2 plus root 3 by 2. Here 2 get cancelled, that equal to 1 by 2 plus root 3. To rationalize the denominator, multiply dividing the rationalizing factor, that is 2 minus root 3 by 2 minus root 3, that is equal to 2 minus root 3 by, here it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square, here 4 minus 3, that is equal to 2 minus root 3 by 1, that is 2 minus root 3. Here the value of tan 15 degrees is 2 minus root 3. Now we have to find out the value of tan 22 and a half. For this we can substitute alpha equal to 22 and a half in the above result. Put alpha equal to 22 and a half degree. Then we have tan 22 and a half degree is equal to sine 2 into 22 and a half, that is 45 degree by 1 plus cos 45, that is equal to sin 45 is 1 by root 2 whole divided by 1 plus cos 45 is 1 by root 2, that is equal to 1 by root 2 by, taking LCM in the denominator we get root 2 plus 1 by root 2. Here root 2 get cancelled, that is equal to 1 by root 2 plus 1. Here to rationalize the denominator we multiply and divide by the rationalizing factor, that is root 2 minus 1, root 2 minus 1 by root 2 minus 1. Here we have root 2 minus 1 by, here root 2 plus 1 into root 2 minus 1 is 2 minus 1, that is equal to root 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 is 1. Now we have root 2 minus 1. So the value of tan 22 and a half degree is root 2 minus 1. See the next problem. If 0 less than theta less than pi by 8, show that root of 2 plus root of 2 plus root of 2 plus 2 cos 4 theta is equal to 2 cos theta by 2. Let us consider LHS. Here LHS is equal to root of 2 plus root of 2 plus root of 2 plus 2 cos 4 theta, 2 cos 4 theta, that equal to square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus root of, here 2 plus 2 cos 4 theta, taking 2 common from these two terms, 2 into 1 plus cos 4 theta. Now we know that the formula for 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. Apply this formula, we get square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 2 into 1 plus cos 4 theta. Here it is in the form 1 plus cos theta, that is 2 cos square theta by 2. Apply this formula, we get 2 cos square 4 theta by 2. 2 cos square 4 theta by 2. That is equal to square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus root of 2 into 2 4 cos square 4 theta by 2 is 2 theta. That is equal to root of 2 plus root of 2 plus, here root 4 is 2 and root of cos square 2 theta is cos 2 theta. Now again continue this process. We get root of 2 plus root of, here 2 common from these two terms, we get 2 into 1 plus cos 2 theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta. Now it is in the form 1 plus cos theta, that is 2 cos square theta by 2. Apply this formula, we get root of 2 plus root of 2 into, here 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square 2 theta by 2, that is theta. Now root of 2 plus root of 4 cos square theta, that is 2 cos theta, that is equal to square root of 2 common from these two terms, we get 2 into 1 plus cos theta, that is equal to square root of 2 into, the formula for cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta by 2, that is equal to square root of 4 cos square theta by 2, that is 2 cos theta by 2, that is RHS. That is RHS. See the next problem. Prove that 1 by sin 10 degree minus root 3 by cos 10 degree is equal to 4. Let us consider LHS. LHS equal to 1 by sin 10 minus root 3 by cos 10 degree. Taking LCM, we get sin 10 into cos 10. Here cos 10 degree minus root 3 sin 10 degree, that is equal to multiply and divide by 2 in the numerator and multiply divide by 2 in the denominator also. 2 by 2 into cos 10 minus root 3 sin 10 by 2 by 2 into sin 10 into cos 10, that equal to 2 into multiply 1 by 2 into the bracket, we get 1 by 2 into cos 10 minus root 3 by 2 into sin 10 whole divided by, in the denominator 1 by 2 into multiply 2 into the bracket 2 sin 10 degree cos 10 degree. Here in the numerator it is in the form of 2 sin A cos A, that is sin 2A. Now the numerator we convert into the numerator into sine of an angle. Sine of an angle, that is equal to 2 into, here 1 by 2 is sine 30 degree into cos 10 minus root 3 by 2 is cos 30 into sine 10 degree whole divided by 1 by 2 into 2 sin 10 cos 10. It is in the form 2 sin A cos A, that is sin 2A. Here A is 10 degree, that is equal to 2 into. The numerator is in the form of sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, that is sin of A minus B, that is 30 minus 10 by 1 by 2 into sin 2 into 10 degree, that is 20 degree, that equal to 2 into sin 20 by 1 by 2 into sin 20 degree. Here 20 degree get cancelled, that is equal to 2 by 1 by 2 is 4, that is RHS.